Step 3. Bead-barrel relationship. This video will show you how to measure the relationship between the bead and your barrel or barrels, and then properly input your measurement into the Shotgun Details information dialog box. Let's look at this over and under barrel and determine how we're going to make our measurements. We want to measure from the bead on the top of the barrel to the center of the top barrel. So we're going to measure the distance from the top red line to the second red line. Then we want to make a measurement from the center of the top barrel to the center of the bottom barrel. So we're going to measure from the second red line to the third red line. We begin by going to the pencil under the word shotgun and clicking. This opens the Shotgun Details dialog box, and we will click on More Settings, which opens another dialog box, and in this dialog box we will enter our information. Notice that you can choose an over and under, a side-by-side double, or a single barrel. I'm going to go through and show you how to do it with the over and under. That will also explain to you how to do the side-by-side, and if you can do an over and under, you can do a single barrel. So I will not go through the single barrel or the side-by-side double at this time. Now we begin with the first information, the distance between the barrels. Alright, I'm going to go over here and click on this and enter the information from my gun, which is 0.850 inches. Then, in the distance between the bead and the center of the barrel, I'm going to highlight this and enter my information, which is 0.950. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to define for dry fire which barrel I have my muzzle insert in. And in this case I have it in the top barrel, but notice if I put it in the bottom barrel I could declare that also. And finally, for this particular gun, the firing order, in other words, it says select the barrel that fires first. So I can either select the top or the bottom barrel, and I'm going to select the bottom barrel. Now, that's all there is to making this information available to the dry fire software. Click OK, and then click OK. And now you are ready to move on to step 4, where you will learn to create two guns. When you create these guns, make sure you enter the bead-barrel relationship for each gun. This will make your indoor shooting and your patterning board work more accurate. And that's it for this video.